Okay, in today's video we want to go beyond Pixellab. So I want to introduce this photo editing application to you. We'll be using it in one of our designs in future time. So I want to do a quick tour on how to use the PicsArt tool. So I'll be opening the application. So you need to click on this plus icon right here. Okay, so this is it. The first thing you are seeing here is the photo. So when you tap on this Gen Alt photo, you tap on it, you have option to select photo, or you can tap on this above to import photo. And we have your video, we have your collage, we have your drawing, you have your background. This is your transparency, this is a white color, and you have options to select a color right here. Okay, so that's to that. So for now we'll be starting with a white background. Okay, firstly, when you come to this tool right here, when you tap on tool, you can see it has many options right here. You have crop, free crop, shape crop, dispersion. So the most used one, the one we'll be using on our future video, I'll just quickly brief them. So I'll come to your crop. So now you can see this canvas. You can edit your canvas to scale 3x4. You can see, and you can even do a manual and retouch. Okay, so you can come to your rotate. You see it right there. You can come to your perspective. You can tilt. I hope you are seeing it. Though it's white background, but you can actually tilt your background. So that is to that about cropping. So I'll discard this. So come to your tools again, then you see varieties of tools. Okay, let me do a quick example on this. I want to import a new image. Okay, so this is a PNG I did on Pixellab. So when you come to your tool, okay, when you come to dispersion, you can see this brush tool right here. When you highlight this, you tap on this arrow here, just tap on it. So I'll undo this. Let me do it again. When you come to your tool, dispersion, okay, this is your brush size. Okay, so you want to highlight this area alone, and you click on this arrow right here, and you can see your stretch direction. Let's do it. Okay, this is a stretch. I hope you are seeing it. When you decrease it, you have something like this. When you come to your size, I think you are seeing the changes. So when you come to your direction, yes, is it. So you have many options for this. So I'll undo this. Let's discard it. Okay, so you undo it again. Okay, so when you come to your tool, also again you come to this your stretch, tap on stretch. Okay, you see this warp, squeeze, CCW, squeeze, CW, whatever it is called, and all these tools below here. So you want to be using them one after the other. When you select warp, you can just see this. You see this effect. You can tap on the warp and increase the power or the size of the brush. So you can see the changes we've been doing. You can I hope you are seeing it. So you come to your power, you can increase your so you can see the effect right here. This is your undo. When you click on these two above here, this is your undo, this is your result. You can come to this second tool right here. You can, when you see its function, so you can see when you hold it, it's going to twist your text, if that's how you love it. You can see this as well. You can see this one is twisting it to the other side. You see squeeze, inflate, and restore. So you can also restore. Just tap on it and you restore everything. So I'll be canceling this. Okay, so let's use a white background again. Don't save. So I'm using a white background again. Okay, so you have this effect option. You can use it to blur backgrounds. You can see stretch, blur. This blur. Yes, you can actually blur an image. When you import an image, you can actually blur with this tool. So you'll be understanding these things better. When this beauty, you can import image and style it, remove BG, stickers, and all of them. So this is text as well. Let's try this out. Okay, so we click on this check mark above. So you can see this font, this color, this stroke, just like that of Pixellab, but you can see it has varieties of fonts right here. So you can start using this text tool as well. So you click on add photo. This is option for adding a photo. Just come to my gallery now and just add a photo. Let's use this. Okay, right here, when you tap on this image, you can see it below here. You can actually cancel it. Let's multiple. So you can see you can cancel this, and you click on add one. So when you add it, so here is it. So the option above here, you can use it to delete the image. You can use this to rotate it to the right and to the left. You can use this to scale the image relatively. So there's a video I made recently. If you want to learn how to do double exposure with this same tool, you can check the description box. Okay, so when you want to flip this image, you can just do it this way. You see this option for editing this photo, cut out, effect, adjust. So when you come to this adjust, you can adjust the brightness, contrast. I think you are feeling it. So when you click on OK and tap on this arrow, so you have options to save to your gallery. So that is everything about this application. See you guys another time. Peace.